Rigid core luxury vinyl flooring is the most durable, waterproof vinyl flooring option on the market. Think of it as the new, improved WPC vinyl. WPC vinyl has been the talk of the flooring industry for the last couple of years. This is the top-of-the-line vinyl flooring that's known for being sturdy and durable. But rigid core vinyl is WPC 2.0. Rigid core vinyl is also known as SPC, which stands for Stone Plastic Composite or Stone Polymer Composite. These terms are used interchangeably to describe the tough layer that makes this vinyl virtually indestructible. Rigid core vinyl is specifically designed to withstand the use and abuse of commercial environments. The strong core layer allows the floor to maintain its form even on top of uneven subfloors, which means you can install it on any level and almost over any existing subfloor. SPC rigid core luxury vinyl flooring is typically comprised of 4 layers. First, there's the backing layer, which is the backbone of your plank. Then there's the SPC core. In traditional vinyl products, the thicker the core layer, the better. But the rigid core actually has a thin core layer and it's still incredibly durable. The SPC core is just that strong. Third, you have the printed vinyl layer. This is where you get photo imagery that makes the vinyl look nearly identical to natural materials like stone and wood. Since rigid core is the highest quality vinyl on the market, you'll see highly realistic looks in these floors. And finally, the wear layer. Like with traditional vinyl, the wear layer is a top surface that helps protect your floor from dents and scratches. The thicker the wear layer, the more resistant your floor will be from scratching and scarring. Now, why would you choose SPC over WPC? WPC flooring is more comfortable underfoot, which means it's great for any residential spaces. SPC is more sturdy underfoot with less give, but it's more resistant to the heavy dents of moving furniture than WPC. This is what makes SPC great for high-traffic commercial spaces. Rigid core is available in all of the beautiful wood and stone look trends and colors you see with WPC. You have plenty of design options to choose for both SPC and WPC. Just about every rigid core luxury vinyl flooring option is DIY friendly. These products feature a ton and groove interlocking installation, so you can easily click and lock the floor together. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoy your rigid core luxury vinyl flooring. If you have any questions, feel free to visit the website and reach out to us via live chat or a phone call. We're always happy to help.